I love decorating my spaces with unique elements of my life. That's why my room at my apartment has my 3 cities that I love and have lived in. I have had these for a while, but looking closer, I want a new one, so I can go to this website at graphomap.com. The website is pretty simple, and it just says design now for your personalized city map. The website describes ways that you can make this gift your own and how you like it. Once you hit design now, the process is pretty self-explanatory. You pick your city, you choose the font and text, the color, size of the text, and the frame that you want it to come in. You can even put an exact address into this location line. I already have a Knoxville frame, but for this one, I really honed in on campus for graduation coming up. You can make it unique to your college, your city, your home, anything. Graphomap.com is really easy to use and makes my home feel not so far away. I just hit add cart and I'm about to secure checkout and get my order.